Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the trade that I enter on a US 13. So we start on the 3-day time frame, and as you can see we have the high over here which was broken, and you can see the strength of which the market break out of the trend line, horizontal ray over there. So going down on a smaller time frame, like a daily time frame actually. So I anticipate that the market will come back to this level, but the price doesn't reach the level before it started moving upward again, and it come back to this area, which makes me draw this trend line that you're looking at over here. So after the trend line was touched over here, we can also see the strength of which the market push up again above this level, then come back down. It was supposed to also retest this zone over here, but it doesn't. Then it goes up and it was rejected. It was rejected by two wick of the candle up here. This is the first one, the second one, and then ended up breaking both the zone and the trend line you are seeing over here. And if you also pay attention, the EMA, like market break below it and then retrace upward. So we find our entry from this point. So going down, but before we go down on the smaller time frame again, there's actually something that we need to pay attention to. Like when the market break this all-time high, the yellow line you are seeing here, giving us a higher high, higher low again, then higher high again over here. Then you can see this low doesn't take out this. Then from here it push up to this level, giving us this higher high, higher low again, then higher high over here, higher low again, and then push higher high. Then over here is supposed to be, this is actually higher low, but this high that was created here, it's actually a wick of the candle. If you go down on the smaller time frame, it's going to give us a full body of the candle, but being on a 1-day time frame, it's actually a wick of the candle, and that's giving us a sign that some sellers are actually present in the market. They are trying to push the market down, and they actually did, because at the end of the day they push the market out of this zone that you're looking at over here. They push it out of the zone and not just stay there. It goes up a little bit, then push it back even more further. So this gives us a bias that okay, the market seems to want to change the direction now. And they're going on a 4-hour time frame now. So we look for our entry after the break of the trend line. I also was able to find out that we have a zone here. So I plot out the zone. Let me take this out of our way, and then this also. So I have this zone over here, and if you apply a fib, also a fib retracement from up here down to this level, you can see that this area where we have this where we have a zone, it's actually a 50% level. Originally I'll be waiting for the market to get to the 71 to 78 level, but it doesn't get there. So reaction of the candle also matters a lot, aside from whatever it is that you think the market is actually doing or you want the market to do. So reaction of the market is what I actually follow there. And the zone we have up here, the market doesn't go back up there to retest it, so it also actually go for the one over here. And what I think is actually happening there is that we have a very large fair value gap over here, so the market close just a little bit of it, close few of it, and we see that because we still have some up here, and then the market don't go with that. So over here, when I started seeing rejection again and the market refused to continue going up, then I was like, okay, this is where the entry is actually, and we have a lot of confidence already. The market breaking the trend line, rejecting a break below this zone and giving us this zone, then consolidating at the 50% fib level. Find my entry from here. I use this above this zone over here, this level over here, a little bit above it is what I use at my stop loss, and I look forward for over 1147 points into the future. So my target was choosing based on this zone you are seeing here, this double top you are looking at over here, and you can see how the market come back to it. So I choose my target based on this. We also have another zone around this area. The market, I expect the market to actually play around this level if it did that, but it doesn't. When it got to that level, it just break it down, and I took some profits in this middle, then I took the remaining profits down here. So that's basically how I enter and exit this trade. So it's no more than that. So thank you for watching this video till this time, and then like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this from us, and do have a lovely day ahead.